Good afternoon and welcome. This is Brandon from Browns International, and today we're having a look around the stunning Sunseeker 76 yacht Paradise. Walking through the flush-to-floor patio doors on board Paradise, we are welcomed by a large saloon area. She has low-level seating to both sides, which really highlights her huge windows. Further forward, we have the dining area to port and an ample open-plan, fully equipped galley. Adjacent to the main helm, we have an observation sofa. The main helm area also has side access directly to the starboard side deck. Going below decks, we have the accommodation area, which is all accessed via this stairwell. Moving to the very front of the yacht, we have the VIP cabin. The VIP cabin has a large double bed and a fully equipped ensuite. Moving through the yacht to port, we have the guest twin cabin, which also has its own ensuite. To starboard, we have the dayhead. This dayhead doubles up via a Jack and Jill door to be the ensuite to the starboard double cabin. And finally, at the very aft end of the vessel, we have the full beam master cabin. The master cabin has seating, a vanity unit, plenty of storage, and an ample ensuite with his and hers sinks. The flybridge area of Paradise is a vast space. It's accessed via teak steps from the cockpit, and we are greeted by a large and well-equipped bar used primarily for entertaining. There is also a large sunpad adjacent to the upper helm, an ample dining area with teak table. Paradise is also equipped with a whirlpool on the aft end of the flybridge with additional sunbathing space. All of this is covered by a large sunroof to keep the sun off. In addition, there is an aft awning, and she is also equipped with Sat TV domes. The bow area on board Paradise is a relaxing space and features two large Portuguese sunpads with drawer fridges below. And that ends our brief tour of Paradise. Could she be the yacht for you? If so, please do get in touch and we'll be happy to answer any further queries.